So you're a control freak?
I exercise control in all things.
It must be really boring.
My tastes are very singular. You wouldn't understand.
Enlighten me then. Why are you trying to change me?
I'm not. It's you that's changing me.
I don't know if I can be with him the way he needs me to.